हैं कैसा लगा और कितने लोग इसमें आए? His Excellency, how many people came and how do you feel about the exhibition?
I feel few hundred people came and the house is fully crowded. All are invited guests and we hope that if it is open to all, many people will come from tomorrow. So this is a beginning and this is a celebration of best artworks. And this time for a renowned artist has joined, to male to female, and I believe that the people of Bahrain along with the Bahrain community will love this artwork. And the today's reaction, I hope we got a very good response, and I believe the celebration of Bangladeshi artwork, and by doing this we can communicate with the Bahrain side and Bahrain people, and I believe this is for also improving or enhancing the bilateral relation. It may help a lot. For totally they are different artists, to male to female. Their field, their subject is totally different. So personally, I like watercolor, and vibrant color. So vibrant is basically the kuhu, female, and kanak chapa, and they're very vibrant color. And the watercolor very soothing. And Mr. Iqbal is a very modernist, so he has blended modernism with abstractism, realism. So the art is different. So I think it's a mixture of diversity and diversified artworks here. It's a glimpse of Bangladeshi rich artwork, just a glimpse. So I believe this also opened the world of art to these eyes, before the eyes of Bahrain.
How many ambassadors or from which nationality ambassador being
Well, I didn't count, but I think maybe more than 12 ambassadors could reach here, and I believe others also send representative. So I didn't count, in fact.
Happy day.
I told you that the presence of enthusiastic art lovers speaks a lot. The house is fully crowded. It speaks of that the Bahraini people liked it, the Bahraini community liked it, and our diplomatic society also liked it. All are brothers, all subcontinent people are brothers, and I believe the Indian subcontinent, they live together from very ancient time. So I always see in a very broad way, our blood is same, our culture is same, our language is almost same. So the people of Bangladesh and the people of Pakistan are brothers, like that of India, like that of Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan. So I see the Indian subcontinent just like a single, land and the single souls of people.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
He was His Excellency Ambassador of Bangladesh. He said he likes. उन्होंने कहा कि बहुत ही अच्छा लगा यहाँ पर मल्टीनेशनल के एम्बेसडर यहाँ पर और आर्टिस्ट, स्पेशली वाटर कलर की इन्होंने बात थी कि उनको पंचतली वाटर कलर बहुत अच्छा लगा. कैमरामैन आसिम के साथ रजा अब्दी, पाक न्यूज़, किंगडम ऑफ बहरीन.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज़.